Hello, I'm Shweta. Have you ever wanted users to update multiple Salesforce record at once, but the option isn't available in the list views? You can configure mass action to allow users to update multiple records in just few clicks. In this video, I'll show you how to configure the mass update action for list views in Salesforce. List views already help us filter and organize data, but mass action update takes it even further by allowing us to update multiple records at once directly from the list. To demonstrate this, we first create a custom pick list field on the account object. Let's go to the setup, go to object manager, select accounts, click fields and relationship, click new, select pick list, click next. The field name is engagement priority and other values separated by line. Finding the values and click next, and save. Next, we'll create the masked quick action that will appear in the list view. Still in the account, object in the object manager, click button, links and actions. Click new. We'll select the action type as update a record. We'll select the label as mass update engagement priority. The API name auto populates. Click save. Once we are done saving, it will take us to configure action layout. Select the fields that we want and drag the engagement priority from the layout. We'll drag the engagement priority and move it here. We'll move the fields that we don't want, and we'll just let engagement priority. Click save. Yes. We set a predefined value so the pop-up opens when a default selection happens. Let's go to new. The field is engagement priority and this formula field is inverted commas medium. Click save. Now we'll add this action to the account list view so the users can use it directly. For that, we'll have to go to list view button layout, edit, and from the available action, select mass update engagement priority and add it to the selected items and click save. Now let's see the mass action update in action. Let's go to the sales app from the app launcher. Select accounts. From the drop down, select my accounts list view. As you can see, mass update engagement priority button is visible here. But there is no field for the mass update engagement priority. To make the field visible, we'll have to go to this gear icon, select field to display, scroll down, find the field, and move it to the visible field column. And now move it next to the account name so that the field is clearly visible when we make the mass update. Click save. Now you can see the field is visible and it's next to account name. When I open any account list view, I can select multiple records and apply the action. Let's select the records, So at once, only 50 records get selected. If I want to select more, I simply scroll down and more records get loaded. I select the checkbox again. Each time I scroll and select the checkbox, more 50 records get selected. This continues until all the visible records in the list are included. Let's select 100 records. So now, as you can see, we have 100 records that are selected. Now let's do a mass action update on this account records. Select mass action update and mass update engagement priority as from medium to high and click save. Now it's asking update 100 records and change these fields. This shows how powerful list views can be when combined with mass action update. Instead of updating records one by one, users can quickly apply changes to hundreds of records with just a few clicks, making data management faster and more efficient.